Welcome to fabulous Las Vegas, the city of lights, excitement, and endless possibilities. Las Vegas. The name alone conjures up images of dazzling lights, vibrant nightlife, and a playground for adults. Exciting casinos, world-class entertainment, and luxurious resorts await you at every corner. It's a city that truly never sleeps, a place where anything is possible and dreams come to life. Whether you're a high roller or a budget traveler, Las Vegas has something to offer everyone. From the glitz and glamour of the Strip to the hidden gems off the beaten path. Join me on a virtual tour of this one-of-a-kind destination. We'll uncover the secrets and highlights that make Las Vegas a must-visit city. We'll explore the famous Las Vegas Strip, with its iconic hotels and dazzling shows, from the dancing fountains of the Bellagio to the grandeur of Caesar's Palace. We'll venture downtown to experience the history and energy of Fremont Street, a place where the past and present collide in a spectacular display. Get ready for an unforgettable journey. The excitement, the thrill, and the magic of Las Vegas await you. We'll discover hidden gems and must-see attractions. From the Neon Museum to unique art installations, there's always something new to explore. We'll find the best places to eat, sleep, and soak up the unique atmosphere of Las Vegas. From gourmet dining to luxurious accommodations, your stay will be unforgettable. So buckle up and let's experience the thrill of Las Vegas together. This is a journey you won't want to miss. Our first stop is the Las Vegas Strip, a dazzling spectacle of lights, casinos, and entertainment. This iconic stretch of road is known worldwide for its vibrant nightlife and endless attractions. As you walk down the Strip, you'll be surrounded by the neon glow of some of the most famous casinos and hotels in the world. It's a place where the energy never fades, and there's always something new to discover. Imagine strolling along the Strip, taking in the sights and sounds of this iconic boulevard. The streets are alive with people from all walks of life, each here to experience the magic of Las Vegas. Street performers, bustling crowds, and the constant hum of excitement make it a place like no other. Marvel at the dancing waters of the Bellagio Fountains, synchronized to music and lights. This mesmerizing show is a must-see, with water jets soaring high into the air, perfectly timed to a variety of musical genres. It's a spectacle that captures the essence of Las Vegas's flair for the dramatic. Step into the Venetian and float beneath bridges on a gondola, serenaded by a singing gondolier. The Venetian offers a taste of Italy right in the heart of the desert, with its intricate architecture and charming canals. It's a romantic and unique way to experience the luxury of Las Vegas. Visit Paris, or at least its Eiffel Tower replica, and enjoy breathtaking views of the city. The Paris-Las Vegas Hotel brings a slice of the French capital to Nevada, complete with its own version of the Eiffel Tower. From the observation deck, you can take in panoramic views of the Strip and beyond. Venture downtown to Fremont Street, where it all began. This historic area is the birthplace of Las Vegas, and it retains much of its old-school charm. The Fremont Street experience is a pedestrian mall that offers a different vibe from the Strip, with its vintage casinos and lively street performances. Experience the Viva Vision light show, a dazzling display of lights and sound projected onto a massive video canopy overhead. This nightly event transforms Fremont Street into a kaleidoscope of colors and patterns, creating an immersive experience that captivates visitors of all ages. Explore the historic casinos and soak up the vibrant atmosphere. These establishments have been a part of Las Vegas's history for decades, offering a glimpse into the city's storied past. Each casino has its own unique character and charm, making it a fascinating place to explore. Don't miss the Neon Museum, home to retired neon signs that once lit up the city. This outdoor museum is a treasure trove of Las Vegas history, showcasing the artistry and craftsmanship of these iconic signs. It's a place where the past comes to life in a vibrant and colorful way. Each sign tells a story of Las Vegas's past. From the glitzy marquees of old casinos to the quirky advertisements of long-gone businesses, these signs are a testament to the city's ever-evolving identity. They offer a nostalgic look back at the golden age of Las Vegas. It's a fascinating glimpse into the city's history and evolution. Guided tours provide deeper insights into the stories behind the signs, making it an educational and entertaining experience for visitors. The Neon Museum is a must-visit for anyone interested in the rich cultural heritage of Las Vegas. Las Vegas offers a wide range of accommodation options to suit every budget, from luxurious suites to budget-friendly rooms. For a touch of luxury, consider the Bellagio, with its elegant rooms, fine dining, and world-class art collection, all in one place. The Venetian offers a taste of Italy, with its canals, gondolas, and replica St. Mark's Square, creating a unique experience. For a more budget-friendly option, try the Excalibur, with its medieval theme and affordable rooms, perfect for families. No matter where you stay, you'll find yourself in the heart of the action, surrounded by excitement. Step outside your hotel, and you're just steps away from casinos, restaurants, shows, and attractions, all waiting for you. Las Vegas is a foodie's paradise with a wide range of dining options to satisfy every craving. From the bustling Las Vegas Strip to hidden gems off the beaten path, the city offers an unparalleled culinary adventure. Indulge in a gourmet meal at a celebrity chef restaurant. Experience the artistry and innovation of world-renowned chefs who bring their unique flavors and techniques to the table. Grab a juicy burger and fries at a classic diner. These nostalgic spots offer comfort food that hits the spot, perfect for a casual and satisfying meal. Sample cuisines from around the world. Las Vegas is home to a vibrant international food scene, where you can taste dishes from every corner of the globe, all in one city. For a special occasion, try Joel Robuchon at the MGM Grand, a Michelin-starred restaurant offering exquisite French cuisine. The luxurious ambiance and impeccable service make it a dining experience to remember. For a more casual experience, head to In-N-Out Burger, a West Coast institution known for its fresh, made-to-order burgers. It's a must-visit for burger enthusiasts. No matter your budget or your taste, you're sure to find something to tantalize your taste buds in Las Vegas. From high-end gourmet restaurants to quick and delicious grab-and-go options, the city has it all.